Sincero Gemopai Ryder electric scooter is powered by 250 watts electric motor and 48 watt 24 ampere detachable lithium-ion battery, paired to a 3-speed switchable gears. On first gear, the top speed is 25 km/h, on second gear top speed is 35 km and on third gear top speed is 45 km respectively. The electric scooter returns a smart mileage of 90 km per charge. It takes 3 hours for a complete battery charge. Maximum loading capacity of the scooter is 150 kg. Top speed of the electric scooter is 45 km/h. Front and rear suspension of the scooter is hydraulic. Braking duties of the electric scooter is handled by disc brake at front and drum brake at rear. The electric scooter is packed with features such as hydraulic suspension, tubeless tires, detachable battery, backrest, bottle holder, disc brake, digital speedometer, LED headlight, keyless entry, anti-theft alarm and mobile USB charging socket. Sincero Gemopai Ryder offers 1-year warranty for battery and scooter. Ex-showroom price of the scooter is 76,122 Indian rupee including GST. It is available in 6 attractive colors.